At number 5, as an early rocket-powered experimental plane, the X-2 pushed boundaries for its era. On July 23, 1956, it reportedly reached Mach approximately 2.87 to 3.2 over 1,900 miles per hour, approximately 3,060 kilometers per hour at high altitude. The X-2 gives perspective on how quickly aviators chase speed, even decades ago, as part of research into supersonic, hypersonic flight. At number 4, the XB-70, a prototype high-speed strategic bomber, reportedly could cruise at around Mach 3.1, approximately 2,056 miles per hour, approximately 3,308 kilometers per hour, under ideal conditions. It was manned with pilots on board and designed for sustained high-speed flight, placing it among the fastest crewed aircraft ever built. At number 3, the MiG-25, one of the fastest interceptor fighter-type jets, reached speeds around Mach 2.83, anywhere 1,865 to 1,900 miles per hour, and Mach 3,000 kilometers per hour, in its high-speed envelope. While not as fast as SAR-71 or X-15, its performance was, and for many years remained, among the top-end speeds for a flown, manned jet aircraft, especially among operational fighters, interceptors. At number 2, the SR-71 holds the official airspeed record for a crewed, air-breathing jet aircraft. On 28th of July 1976, it reached approximately Mach 3.3, approximately 2,100 on a recognized course. It was operational, used for reconnaissance, could take off and land from runways, and represents the pinnacle of real-world high-speed flight for a piloted jet. At number 1, the X-15 remains the fastest manned powered aircraft ever flown. On 3 October 1967, pilot William Pete Knight reached Mach 6.70, 4,520 miles per hour, 7,274 kilometers per hour during flight number 188. It was rocket-powered and part of a suborbital research program, not a typical jet, but it remains the speed record holder for crewed aircraft. More records, more chaos. Subscribe and spread the word.